My name's Brady McCloskey. I'm a professional photographer here on BEI and been in business for about 12 years or so. And this is what I do full-time every day. And I do a lot of the photography, or most of the photography, for Charlottetown Airport as well. So the idea for this photo came from the renderings that they shared at their AGM in 2024. Afterwards, I went up to Doug and Shelley and I said, "Where's that photo coming from? Can I take that?" And luckily they were like, "Yeah, we'd love to have you do it." This photo is taken in Seaview near Cousin Shore Beach. We were able to work with the composition and the crop to make sure that it fit with the horizon line lining up with the blue wall, just to make sure that it was perfect. When I saw it for the first time, it was almost a relief because we had worked on this project for about a year and a half, pretty much from the initial conversation to the installation. So there was a lot of revisions, a lot of back and forth with the technical side of it. So seeing it for the first time, it was kind of the end of a journey, and I was so excited to actually see it in person. So when people are traveling, I hope it adds a little bit of joy into their day. I think a scene like this on the island is such a breath of fresh air, and I hope that little bit of happiness carries with them on their journey, because travel can be stressful. So that calmness of a PEI scene, I hope, made their day just a little bit better. I've been working with YYG for many, many years, and it's very evident that everybody here really cares about the passenger experience and making this airport better all the time. So every year they're making improvements, and something like this is just unique. You don't see it in a lot of places, and I think it's really forward-thinking of them to put a big, large-scale piece of art in the space. It could have easily been a blank wall. So I think it's nice. It adds to the overall vibe of the airport and the relaxed feeling that I think everybody wants to achieve.